everybody. My name is Sir Raphael, and I will be teaching you environmental studies for class 1. Yes, so today we will be learning about our school. Okay, your school. Lesson number 8, my school. Page number 42 of our Wonder World textbooks. All right, now today we will be learning about different things about your school. Now, because of COVID restrictions, we cannot go to school right now, but soon enough, when schools start to reopen, all of us can rejoin and go back to school. Are you excited about going to school? Let's learn about the school. Okay, I go to school every day. I carry my school bag and wear my school uniform. That's right. When you go to school, you will carry your school bag and wear your school uniform to school. I learn many things in school. I learn to read and write and do some maths. I learn to draw and paint, sing, and dance. I learn to play new games and make new things. Yes, we learn many things at school. What are the many things that we learn at school? We learn how to read and we learn how to write, do maths, draw, paint, sing, dance, and play new games and make new things. We learn so many new things at school, right? Next page. I also make many new friends. Going to school is so much fun, right? So when you go to school, when you go back to school, one of the many things that you will be able to do is make new friends, right? So complete these sentences. The name of my school is, do you know the name of your school? I study in class dash. My class teacher's name is dash. I sit next to, now, of course, no one will be sitting next to anyone right now because of COVID. No one is going to school right now. Do you carry a bag to school? Yes or no? When do you pack your school bag? In the night or morning? Okay, and we will learn about the rooms in a school now. There are many rooms in a school. We study in the classroom. We read storybooks in the library. We learn about computers in the computer room. We go to the sick room when we are unwell, when you're sick. We learn to sing in the music room. We play in the playground. The principal sits in the principal's room, and the teachers sit in the staff room. Right? So there are many rooms in the school, right? First, we learn about the classroom. What do you do in the classroom? We study. And what about the library? In the library, we read storybooks. In the computer room, we learn about computers. In the sick room, we go there when we are sick. In the music room, we learn to sing. In the playground, we play. In the principal's room, there sits the principal. And in the staff room, all of the teachers sit in the staff room. So there are many rooms in the school. Now, what are some of the things you can find in the classroom? We find different things in the classroom. Our teacher writes on the blackboard with a chalk and erases with a duster. In the classroom, there are tables and chairs. We have a dustbin to throw waste. There are colorful charts and posters on the wall, right? So we can find all of these different things in the classroom, right? You might find a blackboard or even a whiteboard, and then you might find chalk or maybe markers, marker pens, and then erase them with a duster. And then you will have tables and chairs where everybody will sit. And then we have dustbin. What do we use the dustbin for? To throw waste. Okay, we throw rubbish in the dustbin. And then also there are colorful charts and posters on the wall. Tick what you should do in the class. Cross out X what you should not do. Listen to the teacher. Raise a hand for a turn to speak. Throw bits of paper on the floor. Jump on the table. Share tiffin. Talk loudly and make noise. What are the things that you should do and not do? Okay? Can you figure it out? Can you try to know what are the things that you should do? Now, there are many people who help us in the school. Okay? Many people help in the smooth working of the school. Let us meet some of them. The first is the teacher. Yes, what does the teacher do? The teacher teaches you, right? And then we have the principal, and then we have the sweeper, and then we have the maid, we have the gardener, we have the nurse, we have the school bus driver. What does the teacher do? The teacher teaches. What does the principal do? The principal makes all the important decisions, and the teacher helps run the school. Sweeper, the sweeper sweeps the floor. The maid does many things like cleaning and cooking and all other different things. The gardener helps gardening, okay, taking care of flowers and plants and trees and all of those things around the school. The nurse takes care of the sick children, right? And the school bus driver will drive you from your house to the school and then drive the children back home. Okay? So, what have we learned today? Let us try to remember. We learned to read, write, and do sums in school. We also learned to sing, dance, draw, and paint in school. Some rooms in the school are the classroom, library, principal's room, and computer room. We should follow some rules inside the classroom, and the teacher, sweeper, gardener, nurse, and school bus driver are some people who help in the smooth working of the school. Right? So thank you so much for joining me for this lesson. And for homework, I would like you to do exercises A, B, and C on page 47 of your textbooks. All right. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.